Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava flour. We will cover the simple steps to create the ideal flour blend for your delicious baklava. This specialized flour is crucial for achieving those wonderfully thin, crisp layers that define authentic baklava. By understanding the right ingredients and techniques, you can easily prepare this essential component right in your own kitchen, ensuring a perfect pastry every time. To begin, you will need two types of flour: standard all-purpose flour and cake flour. Cake flour has a lower protein content, which is key to achieving the desired tenderness. A good starting point is to mix 3 parts all-purpose flour with 1 part cake flour. For example, if you need 4 cups of baklava flour, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 cup of cake flour. This blend helps achieve the ideal protein level, typically around 8 to 9%. Once you have measured your flours, it is time to combine them properly. First, whisk the 2 flours together vigorously in a large bowl to ensure they are well integrated. Then, the most critical step is sifting. Pass the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve at least 3 or even 4 times. This repeated sifting removes any lumps and aerates the flour, creating an exceptionally fine and consistent texture. This fine texture is absolutely essential for rolling out those paper-thin baklava dough sheets. Proper storage will keep your homemade baklava flour fresh and ready for your next baking project. Transfer the blended flour into an airtight container immediately after sifting. Store it in a cool, dry pantry or cupboard where it will remain fresh for up to 3 months. Before you begin making your baklava dough, remember to let the flour come to room temperature. This simple step helps ensure optimal hydration and elasticity, contributing to perfectly pliable and delicious baklava layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.